That's why when they ask you you know, remember you have to fill up the yellow form, right? They ask you whether you are pregnant, you're trying to conceive, whether you got asthma, whether you have recently been through any surgery, whether you have any heart disease or something like that. You have to sign that. You know that form, right? That form actually, if you have a yes on one of those forms, right? Yeah, boleh. If you have a yes on one of those forms, you actually need to go to the doctor and have that medical checkup, and the doctor must be able to sign that form.
Then only can do.
Yeah. Okay, just sit. Okay. Good down there?
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Clear?
Yeah.
Lots of fish.
Any other creature than fish?
Sorry?
Any other?
We saw a sea turtle.
Is it?
Yeah, sea turtle, barracudas, groupers, clownfish, standard stuff.
Oh.
But the sea turtle was cool.